Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Very quickly in this video, I want to show you how you can monetize your content on Facebook. Yes, YouTube gives you an opportunity to monetize your content. Facebook also does that. So I just stumbled across this some few days ago, and I want to show you how you can do this. So very quickly, just go to your browser and type in web.facebook.com/business/help. web.facebook.com/business/help. It will bring you to this particular page here. So this is the page you'll be getting to. Now, if you want to get help from Facebook, you can just come down here and click on this find answers or contact support. I'll be dropping a link on how you can chat up with Facebook support on this part of the video. But meanwhile, let's quickly go to where we want to I want to show you how to monetize your content or your app. So look at this, monetize your content or your app. Click on it and we'll show you full description or how you can even monetize your on Instagram as well. Okay, so monetize your content on or app. So you can see there are rules for monetization. I'll be walking you through that. There are you can monetize your content on Facebook in-stream ads, branded content, fan subscription stars, and paid online events. You can also monetize your content off Facebook. You can use audience network or payouts. You can also monetize your content on Instagram. You can use the monetization, the branded content, and the affiliates. You can also carry out your monetization using the management tools where you use Payout Hub. All right, very quickly, let's check out the monetization. Okay, so let's check out the rules for the monetization. Let me open that in a new tab very quickly. All right, here we go. So here are the rules to monetization. When you are monetizing, you must consider community standard. You must consider community standard. These are fundamental rules against unsafe content that depicts graphic violence, nudity, and hate speech. You see that? So you must make sure that you consider their community guideline. Very important. Now, to monetize content monetization, look at it now. Content monetization, this rule typically applies to the content level. They address the content of each individual video post that your page publishes. Now, they include the rules against violence, sexual criminals, and other major content that you must not violate. Other rules that you must not violate. So let's go into how you can actually monetize your content very quick. All right, so let me show you how. Let me show you the Payout Hub. Now, in the Payout Hub, what you need to do, let me show you. Let me open that up. So in the Payout, what you need to do is to make sure that you have set up you are properly set up a way of receiving payment on Facebook. So let's quickly open that up. Open it up here. This is it. So look at it here. Now on payout, it is where you can view your earning and your payout and update banking and tax information on behalf of a page. Do you get that? Payout is only visible if you are a payout account admin. So there are 4 ways Facebook carry out their payment processes. First one is the payout. When you got the payout, now when you got paid, and the breakdown of the earning per payout source, such as your page, app, contract, or group. If a payout has failed, you need to update your payout method to be paid in the next eligible cycle. So these are the 4 different payout methods. But guys, this is still not where we are going to. Now let me show you where the main gist is located. Now you can have access to monetize your content on these different platforms. So let's check out the in-stream ads, using in-stream ads. Now when you're talking about in-stream ads, it means that you are setting up an ad before your image or your content on your page or your account. So just like in YouTube, that you have a video that will play, a short video for 30 seconds, for 5 seconds or so will play before you can start watching your content. That is how these in-stream ads also work. Now let me quickly walk you through how you can set this up very quickly. Now, in-stream ads are image or videos that play before, during, or after your videos that can help you earn money on Facebook. You can manage in-stream ads in the Creator Studio. So you need to have access to the Creator Studio before you can do that, and I'll walk you through step-by-step guide on how to set up your Creator Studio. You can place ads in specific videos or in turn on the in-stream ads for all of your videos on your Facebook page. So if you have set up in-stream ads and you need help, so you can contact Facebook here, but you don't have to do that, guys. I'm going to walk you through how you can get it done easy or set up your Creator Studio. So let me walk you through the other ways you can use to make money on Facebook without using the in-stream ad. So very quickly, let's check out the branded content. So for the branded content, the brand collab manager, you can set up your you can build partnership. You can build partnership opportunities. You can have control over your information, and you can carry out a one-stop shop. That is, you can sell your product or you make deals with people on Facebook because of the kind of content you are producing. So all this can be done using the brand collab manager. So that means that you can partner with other brands to help promote your page while promoting a particular product. So just like you see that some people on YouTube would merge up with some other brands, and they will help sponsor the brand's product for a particular video, and then whatever commission will be paid to them. Do you understand? So that is what you can do here on the branded content part. Now for the fan subscription, now your fan can make particular payment to subscribe to the kind of content you are producing. So, and this is only available to some few countries: Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Brazil, Bolivia, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Denmark, Ecuador, Finland, France, and many other countries. But it is not available to those in Nigeria. It is available to those in South Africa and UAE, United Kingdom, United States. Is not available to most African countries here, except South Africa. So you might not be able to. Those of you that are outside, that are in this particular country, can maximize this opportunity so that people can subscribe to get access to your content. Just like sometimes on YouTube, you will see that you can become a member in a particular channel for a particular price. I hope you get that. So the next one we'll be looking at is the stars. How do you make money about Facebook stars? Now look at this. This is also limited to some particular countries. Now for the Facebook stars, what it does is that Facebook stars is a feature that allows you to monetize your videos and audio content. Viewers can buy stars and send them to you while you are live, or for an on-demand video that you have stars enabled, or while you are live in a live audio room. For every star you receive, Facebook will pay you $0.01. Do you get that? So this way you can live stream. When you are carrying out your live stream, Facebook will once anybody click on a star on the live stream or the video you are creating, you are publishing at that point in time, Facebook will pay you 0.01 USD, but the star need to be enabled, and this is also available to fewer countries. I don't think South Africa is here as well. South Africa is not available on this. United Kingdom is here. United States is here. So you know how you can access Facebook. VPN can help you to pick any of these locations, and you can as well have access to this particular opportunity. Now the final one, which is going to be the paid online event, is so your paid online event has to do with people making payment before they can have access to your event. So it's like Facebook will create a payment gateway, and it will take money from those people. They will have to make payment, then they will have access to the event, and then they can watch the event. So this is another way you can monetize your Facebook account. Now let's go through how you can set up your in-stream ads on video. I don't know, some of you that are familiar with Facebook ad, you would see that you can send your ad to in-stream. So let's see how you can set up your Creator Studio finally. So to set up your Creator Studio, I'll be sharing that in another video. So just check the top right corner here, and I will show you how you set up your Creator Studio step-by-step guide. So guys, if you haven't yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly smash the subscription bell and like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the other video. Thank you. I love you.